Hello students, welcome to practical lab session. In our today's session, we have learned practical part of MS PowerPoint. Today we learn how to make a presentation. So dear students, in our previous session, we have learned introduction part of MS PowerPoint. So in our today's session, we have done practical part of MS PowerPoint. So first of all, we have learned how to start MS PowerPoint. So dear students, to start MS PowerPoint, first of all you have to click on start button, then all program. After that you have to click on Microsoft Office, then you have to find out MS PowerPoint and click on MS PowerPoint. Then dear students, you can see here we have a blank slide. So in this blank slide you can see two boxes. In the first box, if you want to add some context, okay, if you want to add some content, so you can easily enter some content with the help of keyboard. So now I am entering welcome to MS PowerPoint, welcome to MS PowerPoint presentation session. So I am typing this in the first block, and in the second block I am typing hello everyone. So I am typing hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. So dear students, now we can learn how to insert a new slide. Okay, so you can also adjust this with the help of your mouse or with the help of your cursor. So dear students, also we can learn regarding themes in MS PowerPoint. So dear students, if you want to add the theme, first of all you have to click on design, then you can see multiple themes available. So here I am selecting one theme just like this. So after selecting this theme, if you want to insert new slide, then you have to click on home tab. After clicking on home tab, you have to click on new slide. So dear students, whenever you are clicking on new slide option, you can see multiple format for new slide. So here I am selecting a format with title and content. So I am selecting a slide just like this. So here I am giving title, content, and I am adding few elements inside the content just like theme, then effect, and also slide show. So dear students, this is the way how we can add the content into the new slide. Now dear students, I can add clip art into my slide. How? First of all, I am inserting a blank slide, and to insert blank slide I have to click on home tab, then new slide. Here I am selecting blank slide just like this. Now I want to insert clip art. To insert clip art, you have to click on insert tab and clip art option. So here I am searching for all the clip arts that are available in my system. So after finding all the clip arts, I can select one as per my requirement. Just like this, I am selecting this one. So dear students, also you can resize the clip art, okay, with the help of cursor, such like this. So here we are inserting a clip art inside a blank slide. Now dear students, I am inserting another blank slide for inserting some shapes. For that I have to click on shape option and then choose the shape as per our requirement. So I am selecting a oval and here I am drawing this oval. So dear students, this is the way how we can inserting a shape. Now again I am inserting a blank slide and I want to use smart art option. Okay, here I am using cyclic smart art, just like this. Okay, now in this cyclic smart art I am just mentioning uh, I am just mentioning so I am mentioning A, B, C, D in each oval which is mentioned in the smart art, just like this. So this is the way how we are mentioning the workflow with the help of smart art. Now I want to use word art in MS PowerPoint. To use word art, I am clicking on word art and choose the word art as per my requirements, such like this. And here I am typing hello. Here or I am typing this is our practical session. Okay, so I can also adjust this as per my requirement. So dear students, here I am adding new slide, then adding clip art, similarly smart art, similarly word art. Now I want to apply transition in my slides. So dear students, to apply transition you have to click on animation and then you can see multiple transition options that are available. So as per your requirement you can select a transition method. So you can see whenever I am clicking on any one option it can show its way to represent the slide. So now here as I am clicking it will represent the multiple ways to represent the slide, such like this. Now I am choosing a particular way for transition, and after choosing a particular way I can click on apply to all. With the help of this transition is applied to all slide. Now I want to see slideshow from beginning. So you can see one by one transition is applied in our slides. So dear students, this is our today practical session. So thank you for joining our today lab practical session.